It's a wonderful day. We are grateful for the day and we thank Lord for helping us to see this day.
Thank you, Jesus.
Okay, so today I'm gonna start by analyzing Nasdaq. It took some huge losses. But then let's see what it can give us for today. So firstly, I'm gonna mark out my lowest point and my highest point, as you can see right there. And Nasdaq currently is struggling to break it. Currently Nasdaq is struggling to break above this resistance area here so that it can continue furthermore to the upside, because as you can see with the momentum kept on going lower and lower, and now Nasdaq is currently looking forward. It's either to go back and retest to hit the support area so that it can push it furthermore to the upside, or Nasdaq might just wanna go down and then break the current support and continue going side. One of the thing there might happen on Nasdaq. So we're gonna go to the smaller time frame, not a smaller time frame, but I'm gonna go to the daily time frame to see, or the overall. Before that, I like to make my current week candles so that I can see how the market reacting on the current movement. So if I can take my trend here and place it there, you can see that actually on Nasdaq we are on a bullish market. How do we see that? We see it by the market structure. The market gave a higher high, a higher low, and there's a chance that the market will still give us a higher high or a third touch there on our day. If I can draw my trend line from here, you can see that the market managed to break out of this trend, came back, gave us a retest, which is not a proper retest, and then it gave us a higher high. So here the chances is that the market can give us a lower low, a higher low, and continue furthermore to the downside, or the market might wanna touch this support here so that it can continue furthermore to the downside. Because as you can see with the momentum, that the market is currently giving us a higher momentum. It gave us a high, it didn't break here, but it managed to break the previous support here, and it became a resistance. So we might have the market rejecting this area and pushing furthermore to the downside. So in this case, it will require some patience, a little patience, and see how the market do from here. Because if I can go to an 1 hour time frame and then I draw my trend line here, you can see that the market it's still bullish. The market is still bullish, but it seems like it broke this. Let me start it here. Okay, here it is. If I can draw my trend like this, you can see that the market is currently, it's still on a bullish market. The market gave us a higher high, higher low, higher high. There must be, it might be in case whereby the market just want to give us the higher low so that it can push furthermore to the upside. But as I said here, it will require some patience, because the market also, it broke out of this ranging market. The market was ranging at this point, and then it broke out on this range. There might be a possibility that it will come back and retest so that it can push furthermore to the downside, which we're gonna look for an entry if it do so. But for currently, it will need some patience. It's either the market is gonna come retest on this level, or the market is gonna come back. And note, guys, that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving what I see, or what I think the market could do from here. So I'm not saying it will, Or I'm saying it might based on my analysis. So, but the market structure is still bullish. I don't know if the market just wanna take people out and then continue for the upside, or Nasdaq is just losing momentum. And if I go to the 15-minute time frame, still the same thing. So here I'll just require to have some patience, so that if the market can come here, we might get a trade, and if we don't get it there, we might get it on this current support here. So that's what I see on Nasdaq. And then next I'm gonna be heading over to the I took huge loss yesterday on GBP USD. I don't know if there was news or what, but I opened this trade uh around I think it was around 11 p.m. at night. So GBP USD, it was shoving for the past weeks. I made profit here, and then here it hit my stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. And this is my favorite pair SOH. When my favorite pair does this, do this to me, I become so emotional that why are you doing this to me? Because you are my favorite pair, you shouldn't be doing this for me. So yeah, what can we do? Yeah, but today I will only be looking out for Nasdaq. I think this is the only setup I'll look up into. The rest, yeah. The rest, let me see on gold. On gold, gold is currently bullish. Gold is bullish currently, and if I can take gold right now, it means I will be targeting this area here. But as long as area didn't, as long as gold did not break this level, come back and retest, there will be no trade for me, unfortunately. And the momentum is currently bullish on gold, because as you can see that it gave us a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. There might be a possibility that gold wanna break this current high, which is right here, and then come to this level and then break, continue. Or if it fails to break, it will give us something like, we'll wait for a structure like double top, so that we can know that gold is gonna go bullish. So yeah, today I'm only gonna be focusing on Nasdaq. Even gold, I will check it as well. I'll be checking gold as well. If it can manage to break this level here, if it can manage to break this level here, come back and retest, then I might actually take a trade on gold. But I won't be targeting the new high, but I will be targeting the previous high, which this will be this will be a 1:3 trade. Yeah, only if it breaks above. If it doesn't, then it means no trade for us. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.